how to install the Facebook Messenger app on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install the Messenger app on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, swipe from right to left until you get to the app library, then select the search box at the top and type app. Open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once the App Store opens up, select search in the bottom menu, then select the search box at the top and type Messenger. Go ahead and search Messenger, and you'll see Messenger come up right there. Select it, and where mine has a cloud icon, it may say Get. That just means you have not downloaded it before on an iPhone. So go ahead and select Get or the cloud icon. When you do that, it may ask you for your Apple ID password. Go ahead and enter your password to verify your identity, and then it will download and install Messenger on your iPhone. Once it's done installing, go ahead and select Open. And if you have any other Meta apps on your phone, it'll go ahead and find your accounts. You can also just log in using your credentials. So go ahead and select one of your accounts or log in. It'll ask you if you want to allow notifications. Go ahead and select your preference there, and then you can start using Messenger on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.